Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how you can create a notebook using Google Slides or Google Docs in your Google account. So what you need to do is on the top right hand side you see create new, click on create new to create a notebook. Now if you see here under upload sources, you can use documents such as PDF, text, markdown, audio files to upload sources. But if you see here on the left hand side of the screen, you see an option called Google Drive. Under Google Drive, you see Google Documents and Google Slides. Maybe you have some important information in your Google Drive account and you want to use them as notebook. So what you should do is you should click on Google Docs. Once you click on Google Docs, it will take you directly to the Google Drive account. It will take you directly to the Google Drive account. I see this Google Doc here. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on Insert, and it is going to upload the document in the Notebook LM. See that the document is uploaded. In this way, you can connect your Notebook LM with Google Drive account and you can upload the information from your existing Google Drive. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.